Welcome to this comprehensive review of Salesforce CRM, one of the most recognized customer relationship management platforms in the industry. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest experience using Salesforce, its standout features, and whether it's the right choice for your business. Let's start by taking a look at the Salesforce dashboard, which is both visually appealing and packed with data-driven insights. The layout is designed to provide quick access to key metrics like sales performance, customer interactions, and tasks, ensuring that users can stay on top of their activities without feeling overwhelmed. As you navigate the platform, you'll notice how Salesforce integrates seamlessly with other tools, such as email marketing software and project management systems. This makes it incredibly convenient for businesses that rely on multiple tools to streamline their operations. The customization options are another highlight, allowing you to tailor the dashboard, reports, and workflows to suit your specific needs. However, there is a learning curve when it comes to setting these up, especially for first-time users. One of Salesforce's biggest strengths lies in its powerful analytics and reporting capabilities. With detailed reports and forecasting tools, businesses can make data-driven decisions that improve customer engagement and drive growth. Additionally, the platform's AI-powered insights, such as lead scoring and sales predictions, give users a competitive edge. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching this review for additional tools and insights to enhance your business efficiency. Another notable feature is the Salesforce App Exchange, a marketplace where you can find thousands of apps and integrations to extend the platform's functionality. Whether you need solutions for customer service, marketing automation, or financial management, App Exchange has options to explore. While Salesforce is highly regarded for its flexibility and advanced features, it's worth mentioning that its pricing can be on the higher side, especially for smaller businesses. The platform offers several tiers, each with varying levels of functionality, so it's important to assess your specific needs before committing to a plan. Customer support with Salesforce is generally reliable, with multiple options like live chat, a knowledge base, and community forums. However, some users have reported delays in resolution times during peak periods, so it's something to keep in mind. Overall, Salesforce is a robust CRM solution that excels in scalability, analytics, and integrations. It's particularly well suited for medium to large enterprises looking to optimize their customer management processes. That said, smaller businesses may need to weigh the costs versus benefits carefully. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of business tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.